Welcome. In this video lesson, I will explain how I made this professional outstanding flyer design. If you are seeing me for the first time, welcome. In this channel, I detailed explain design for beginners, pro or advanced. You could get any knowledge you can from this channel. In this video, I'll be explaining how I made this flyer design for a loan company, that's a finance. Then as well use the same design for your practice or apply it for your client design. It's what it. Okay, now let's get straight into the video. In designing a flyer design for a loan company or a finance company, what you need is the company's logo, company's name, company's catchy topic. What I mean by that is most people does not read or do not read design when they see it. You get me? What they just see is what the I call it elements. Why I call it element are these are what gives beauty to your design. What I mean is that you see this design like this now. What catch your attention is what the car and the wristwatch. That's what catch your attention. That's what you pay attention to at first when you see this design. Now, for your viewer to see it or your client, let's say design for your client either post it anywhere online or offline. When viewers see it, what keep their attention is what I like this fine cars. That's when what's this thing talking about? Like, okay, it is what need cash idea because the company is a loan company. They came out with the idea, okay, need cash because everyone needs cash. um how can you get cash if you know you can get it from what a loan company? That's what I mean by catchy topic. That's what you like they'll give you. If they didn't give you, that's when you ask, oh, I need a catchy topic. You can just come up with one and say, oh, this is, and you explain to them if they're okay with it, or they'll give you their catchy topic. Now let's continue. What you need, what you just need their basic and few this trusting this and what they need. They will also give you that. Then their what they are known for, which is what the value, you understand, the value that the companies possess, which means this one they possess fair valuation, prompt layout, and also hassle free, which is done into what stress bother yourself about it. Then what their detail or their necessary information, how you could reach out to them, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, location, and that's what you just need for it. Now let's get straight into it. In this design, I used theory background to design this. And let me show you what I mean by the theory background. I'm just gonna firstly draw the shape. I used and I said color. Color is very very important in design because you see design. My major color is just this black and orange. That was the color. In designing, you don't need too many colors. Too many colors ruin your design. So you just need like 2 to 3 color and your font as well. Understand? Now let's continue. I use 10 by 10. You can see my cursor in this object size. I use 10 by 10 inches. Can I say use that as a beginner and wants to learn? I made this enter. Just click on it. After doing that, just click on enter in your keyboard. It will move straight. And I can say position it. See, my mouse is slow because where I put it is not very very straight. It's okay. Let's continue. Now let me get the background I use for me now. I use this one and I'm just gonna group everything. This. I just clicked on it once. You see it already highlighted, and I moved my cursor. I just held my shift key, move my cursor to the wristwatch, click on it once, head over to this black, click on it once, head over to this other background, click on it once. Sorry. Then I just I click on my control my keyboard and click on control C. And then I'll finish this and then control V. It's already here now. Then now it's already highlighted. Just head over to what? To object, power clip, place set of frame, place set of the second one. Using doing that, I don't want to start power clipping each one. So that's why I just had to just leave it like that. Then now let me take this to this other side. Oh, the other one did not show me. Okay, then let's see. This one was the first background that I used. If you see in this design, the road didn't show because I didn't need it for anything this time because I want this text to be on top, that to be visible because they are white. Now I just head over to my shape and I drew this and I used black stand. I use this black color. And I removed the outline. To remove outline, just click on F12 or you can just come here. You can see my also outline width. Click on none. So you remove the outline. Now let's give this one. You see this sharp edge. I don't remove this sharp edge because I don't need this sharp edge. Now just head over to a transparency tool. Click on it. Then can I say just I'm going to drag this. And take this down to remove this feather. Let's bring this down. Control Z. You see, just remove the sharp edge. Okay, yeah. And take this up. You can also drag this because it's black, it's not going to show. Very good. Then next, this one. Let me remove this as well. No. You see, this one is just why I needed to give this to make it look professional. I just had to download this picture from Pinterest. This skyscraper picture I used. Just head over to my transparency tool as well. Then head over to a uniform. Uniform is just like to give the whole transparency to everything, not you start dragging it to like give the transparency to the part you want. Just click on it once, uniform. You see everything just automatically turns out like this. Control Z, Control Z again. So you just either to go back to your picture and drag this in, drop, shift, page up. You see, just simple as this. You see, you can still view it from inside. The reason because that's not the main focus of it. You see, the main focus is not the skyscraper, but you just have to put this. These are elements to make your design look powerful. Understand? So let's continue. This one is all I just copied it from the other design I made. So I'm just gonna leave this. Doesn't really mean though. I'm gonna finish editing this. I'm gonna leave this wristwatch now. Then when I'm there, then I can. But you see, that was how I got this background for it. Now let me continue. I'm not typing this again because I already typed it. I already did the rest. I'm just gonna um drag drop. I made this one. This one is very simple. Let me ungroup it so that you know I'm the one that did it. See, need cache. I used React bold ITC then 48.05 because I dragged it. That was why the point had to show. And this one I swear I used augmentation black. This picture you can get from Pinterest. It's actually man holding question mark. So let me group this one again. Okay, this in this. Control G. I'm just gonna drag this. Hold my shift key. Then I'll drop it. And this one as well. I'll do the same thing for this. Okay, I think I already grouped it. Let me just okay, it's grouped already. My shift key going there. And this car you can get it from Pinterest. Then you remove the background, go to your Chrome, search for remove BG as background. Simple like that. Then let me bring this watch. I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, like this. And let's finish editing. Let's see if it's okay. Now let's take it a little bit backward. Backward. See this one like this. If it's something you see, I cannot touch it because this like it covered this in my wristwatch. I'm just gonna click on shift, page up, and let me bring all this on back like this. And this other one, bring back. You can see it's already at the top now. Sorry, because I'm using one hand to hold the mic, then I'm using the other hand to hold the mouse. That is why it's taking much time like this. Go back. See shift page up as well. Go to the top. Then this one again. Shift page up. That's very simple. That's how to position anything. Just click on shift page up. That's to bring anything to the top. This one is looking like this. Nice. Good. You see, because we already did bring it to the top, so you can make adjustment to it. I didn't need this edit bitmap, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Let's wait. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, please hit on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload an amazing video lesson like this. Let's continue. This one is already like this. I got this thick. You can also just draw the shape. I don't do this in too lengthy. So I already did it. I'm gonna waste more time. Also, I swear offer a one-on-one class. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp and my TikTok handle on my description of this video. That's how you can contact me, or if you want me to work for you either as a company or anywhere of the world. I work online also. And yes, we just did this design, we just achieved this design. See this design I made. It's very simple, no more than this. Now let's click on F9 to see. Yeah, so we just did this professional flyer design for a loan company. If this video was helpful, I'm sure you really learned something from this video. If this was, please drop it in the comment section, or you want me to design or make a video lesson on any design at all, any quotes, you just drop in the comment section. Oh, please explain this flyer design or this that design. Just put in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.